Hey trainers, Kyle Johnson here, gym leader at Lavender Town Accounting. Today, we're cracking open the pack on a big topic, how to report your Pokemon card sales for US taxes. This touches on selling sealed products like ETBs and booster boxes and single cards. Let's dive into the basics and make sure that you're prepared. First things first, are you in the business of selling cards, or is this just a hobby for you? This is a difference maker when it comes to filing your taxes. For business, if you're treating Pokemon card sales like a business, buying and selling regularly, trying to make a profit, tracking your expenses, you'll report your income and expenses on Schedule C of your tax return. As a business, you can deduct related expenses like shipping, storage, even fees from platforms like eBay and TCG Player. But if it's just a hobby, you're selling some cards from your collection here and there with no intent to run it like a business, you'll report your sales as capital gains or capital losses on Schedule D. Hobby income isn't subject to self-employment tax, but you can't deduct expenses like storage and marketing, so keep that in mind. We have another video that I'll link in the show notes covering the ins and outs of hobby versus business and the tests that the IRS has to see which you are. Whether you're selling sealed product like booster boxes and ETBs or single cards, the process is the same. You'll need to figure out, first, your cost basis. This is what you originally paid for the product. Selling price. How much did you sell it for? This includes your shipping charges. Lastly, is your net gain or loss. This is your sales price minus your cost basis and any selling fees. For hobby sellers, you would report this on Schedule D. If the item is a collectible, which Pokemon cards are, your gains may be subject to a higher capital gains rate of 28%. If you're a business seller, you would report it on Schedule C and be able to deduct your business expenses as well. Keeping accurate records is key. Whether you're a hobbyist or you're running a business, make sure to track these items. The original purchase price of your cards or sealed product, selling fees, whether it's eBay, PayPal, or TCG Player, shipping costs if you paid to have the product shipped to the customer. This info will help you calculate your gains and losses correctly, and it'll also make sure that you're not missing out on any potential deductions. So whether you're selling single cards or sealed products, the way you report depends on whether it's a business or a hobby. Remember, Schedule C is for business, Schedule D is for hobby, and collectibles can come with a higher tax rate. Got any questions or need help tracking your sales? That's what we're here for. We're here to help you count them all and keep it all, legally of course. See you next time.